case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a case that would test the strength of the Sixth Amendment, James Olden and Charlie Ray Harris, two African-American men, were accused in 1988 of agreeing to horrific crimes against Starla Matthews, a young white woman. In a dynamic trial marked by wildly inconsistent testimonies, Matthews claimed that Olden and Harris had kidnapped, raped, and sodomized her. However, the defense highlighted the various discrepancies in Matthews' account, even making a shocking claim that Matthews had consented to and later requested repeat sexual encounters. Despite the glaring inconsistencies and failure of the trial court to consider evidence of Matthews' cohabitation with another man, Olden was convicted of forcible sodomy and sentenced to 10 years in prison. Devastated by the verdict, Olden appealed his conviction, contesting that the trial court had infringed upon his right to confront witnesses against him as guaranteed by the Sixth Amendment. The case reached the Supreme Court, pitting Olden's Sixth Amendment rights against a tangled web of testimonies. At the heart of Olden's appeals argument was the inability to challenge the credibility of Matthews due to the trial court's refusal to allow evidence of her living situation. The defense maintained that this information would have proved a motive to lie, further questioning the believability of Matthews's case. In an important ruling that highlighted the cross-examination limits, the Supreme Court sided with Olden. It found that the Kentucky Court of Appeals had been unreasonably stringent in restraining cross-examination, thus violating Olden's constitutional right. Moreover, they determined that this restriction on Olden's right to confront the accuser wasn't harmless and reversed the judgment. This Supreme Court decision not only reset Olden's fate, but also underscored the significance of the right to confront one's accusers and the role of unbiased cross-examination in the framework of a fair trial. The verdict sent a clear message: no one's constitutional rights, particularly those protected by the Sixth Amendment, should be easily dismissed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.